Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some shared ideas. These beautiful shared ideas will help you create a structure for play, hobbies, storage, work or study, or even a summer sitting room. Shared ideas are an invaluable addition to the garden, providing the perfect storage solution for our garden tools, dry essential, and other seasonal items. The traditional shed tends to fall into one of two camps: the meticulously methodical heaven that is kept in apple pie order using clever storage ideas for sheds or a cluttered hideaway jam packed with a jumble of belongings collected over a lifetime. However, sheds are no longer just storage spaces, as rooms increasingly become at a premium and houses shrink in size. Many garden sheds are being reinvited as man caves or a she shed ideas. These are usually no-go for areas for spouses and children alike, serving as a refuge from the outside world. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. When installing a new shirt, there are several different elements that require your attentions. From picking the perfect position and selecting the right material to insulation and waterproofing, our expert guide will talk you through an essential. Once your shed is up and running, you then need to decide what to do with it. We have rounded up our favorite shed ideas to inspire you to make your shed a beautiful space, whether its purpose. Just as a when planning a greenhouse, the position is vital. Subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share my video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.